In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a minimum order amount in Shopify. This feature is particularly handy for store owners who are looking to boost their average order value and ensure that customers meet a certain purchasing threshold before they are able to check out. So, let's dive in and walk through these steps together. First things first, you need to log into your Shopify admin panel. This is your control hub where you'll manage all things related to your online store, from products to sales, so the start point is always here. Once you're in, head over to the Apps section on the left-hand menu. You'll want to search for an app that allows you to set minimum order amounts because Shopify's native settings don't include this feature outright. Searching with keywords like order limitations or minimum order will guide you to the suitable apps available. A popular option that many store owners find effective is Min-Maxify. It's both user-friendly and highly customizable, making it perfect for what we need. When you have found the app that fits your needs, the next step is to install it. Click on the app and follow the on-screen prompts to integrate it with your Shopify account. Installation generally happens with a few clicks. It's designed to be as seamless as possible, so don't worry too much about technical difficulties here. After it's installed, navigate to the app settings via the Apps section once again. With the app open, you'll be in the Settings dashboard. You'll usually find an option labeled something along the lines of minimum order settings, though this can vary slightly depending on the app you choose. Here is where you'll set the minimum order amount you'd like your customers to reach before they can proceed to checkout. Enter the amount that aligns with your business goals. It might be good to consider your average order value and current pricing to come up with a strategic number that encourages more purchases without turning away potential customers. Next, remember to save your settings. The app should provide a clear button or prompt to finalize your changes. Once saved, your minimum order amount will now be active in your online store. Customers will be notified at checkout if their order does not meet the minimum requirement, which can also be customized to ensure it aligns with your store's branding and communication tone. Finally, it's a good idea to test it yourself. Place a test order that falls below the minimum amount to ensure the restriction is working as planned. Should you encounter any issues, most apps offer support or documentation to guide you through troubleshooting steps. And there you have it, a straightforward way to set a minimum order amount in Shopify using a third-party app. This can really help in managing your store's sales and enhancing your customer transactions. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your Shopify store.